In this video I'm going to show you the top rules that you should follow in order to create appealing Google Ads and to stand out from the competition so that you get the most clicks and the most conversion from your ad. The ad I'm now creating, this ad copy will be for the HowToAds.com website, for our website, and it will be for Google AdWords certification course. Basically, I have some text here, but I'll change everything just because here we have a lot of mistakes, and the goal in this video will be to create the perfect ad for the beginning of our ad campaign for this Google AdWords certification. So without further ado, let's continue with the rules. The first rule is that we need to have keywords in our ad. It's so simple and it maybe doesn't sound as good as it should, but actually Google has an algorithm to evaluate the ads based on their relation with keywords that we have in our campaign, keywords in the ad copy, and also keywords in the landing page. So basically we want to have this relation, we want to have one and the same top keywords, top level keywords on these three places, because they are actually involved in the quality score of Google. And basically if we have the same bidding and the same quality of the campaign, same targeting as our competition, whichever happens that had the highest quality score, their ad will show on the top. So basically this is the reason we want this. And we can see here I have Google Ads. In the ad copy also I have Google Ads on the landing page. In the keywords I also have Google Ad and also certification. So here in the description I have certification, but I don't have Google Ads. Okay, so maybe I need to involve somehow Google Ads in the description. A lot of practical tips and tricks to get the Google Ads certificate. Now it's better. And also here in the display path, ads like this. So in this way I will higher my quality score. Then the second rule is you need to be as much as specific as you can, because actually people when search, they appreciate to save their time. So basically Google Ads certification, maybe here I should clarify that it's a preparation online course. Let's say if I have enough space, Google Ads certification course. Oh, one symbol. Okay, how can I fix this? Google Ads certification course. First let's do this capital letter in front. Can I this doesn't look so well. Okay, Google Ads certification course. How can I solve this? Maybe I can put exam training. Yeah, I fit. I lose the keyword certification, but maybe I have it on enough places. There is always something that couldn't be perfect. Okay then, so let's try to be more specific. Take that test while practice the correct answers in realistic environment. Okay, let's change this with all 6 exams covered. Search, display, mobile, shopping, video, and app. Okay, and now actually we need to think about the fourth rule, which is psychological approaches. The psychological approaches could be related to features, benefits, problems, and their solutions. So basically, let's say what features our course do have. Let's say here we can add exam questions covered. We can add 500 exam questions covered. We can add also call to action like learn more, because actually as much as information as you give to the people, especially numbers, I have seen in my practice that this is very helpful for a click-through rate, because the people receive much more information from the ad copy, so that they are much more attracted to click and understand more, since that they have at least something to think about. And for the call to action like learn more, it's important because sometimes it's obvious, but people need to be reminded what they're expected to do in order to get more information. And a lot of practice tips and tricks to get the Google Ads certificate. Here I want to put that we have real test environment. How can I do this? I have more symbols. I'll just put in the beginning real test environment, and we have again exceeded the limit with 2 symbols. A lot of practical tips and tricks to get the Google Ads certificate. Let's put it this: practical tips and tricks to get the Google Ads certificate. So basically now we can add extensions, we can add call out extensions, or we can add site link extensions. Basically this will just extend our surface, this will extend our ad space. So I recommend you to put as much extensions as you can. And the other trick I want to show you is the countdown feature. It's a bit of hidden, but it's really easy. Like let's say if we want to put the countdown here, we need just to open this bracket, and the second option is countdown. We'll just choose the date that the countdown will end and the hour, let's say 18 past 30, and these are the seconds. We will not put them, they're okay. And we have countdown starts, which basically is when you want this ad to start showing. It's by default 5 days, but we can set it on 3 days, we can set it on 7 days, however you want. It depends on your schedule. And we have account time zone and viewers time zone. I recommend to choose always at viewers time zone, because you never know, no matter your ad is for a specific area, you never know the people that you're targeting. their devices if they have set up a different time zone or something like this. So it's always user friendly to use @viewers time zone. And of course the language, in our case it's English, so it's by default like this. And when we hit apply, we have this little cute code here that will start showing the countdown as we set it up. So basically these are the rules. I will recap it very quick. First, use keywords because they are involved in the quality score. You need to have the top level keywords in your ad copy, in your keywords for your campaign, and in your landing page. The second one is be specific. 3, include call to action, and 4, actually express the features, the benefits, the problems, and the solutions you have covered in your offer. Use as much as extensions as you can, and you can use also countdown if appropriate for your case.